ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল গ্রুপের পরীক্ষা ২০ তারিখে হয়েছিল, মে মাসের ২০ তারিখে। তার রেজাল্ট এখন বার হতে দেরি আছে, কিন্তু উত্তরগুলো আমি আপনাকে বলে দিচ্ছি কীভাবে উত্তরগুলো ছিল। প্রথম কোশ্চেন, হুইচ রিজন ইন দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড ইজ ফেমাস ফর দ্য প্রডিউসিং সাইট্রাস ফ্রুট? মেডিটেরিয়ান রিজন। দ্য মেন, দ্বিতীয় কোশ্চেন পরপর বলে যাচ্ছে। দ্য মেন natural vegetation of the steppe-type climatic region is large grassland. Eutrophication is one kind of water pollution. Blood of which invertebrate is red? Earthworm মানে কেঁচো। Swami Vivekananda had founded Ramakrishna Mission in the year 1897. Oil of vitriol is H2SO4. The color of soil which is formed by basalt হচ্ছে black. Which of the following is not a root? Potato. The dance drama Chitrangada was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Kinetic fiction is comparison to strike fiction is less. In which year Brahmo Samaj was established? 1828. Nil Darpan, a drama, was composed by Dinabandhu Mitra. Solar energy is due to nuclear reaction. Fusion reaction. Fiction na. Nuclear fusion reaction. In which of the following disease immune system of blood breakdown AIDS? Which of the following element is considered as a micronutrient in plant? Zinc. The element, sorry, the uh, cyclonic storm of China Sea is popular known as typhoon. The first Governor General Bengal হচ্ছে ওয়ারেন হেস্টিংস। The un, uh, un, uni, unitless a unitless physical quantity is specific gravity না আপেক্ষিক গুরুত্ব। The first newspaper published in India was Bengal Gazette. Doldrum means a region of storm calamity, ঝঞ্ঝাপূর্ণ এলাকা. Which one is known as the brain of cell? Nucleus. Audible sound has the frequency range মানে শ্রবণযোগ্য শ্রুতি, যেটা শব্দ, তার রেঞ্জ হচ্ছে 20 থেকে 20,000 হার্জ। In battlefield, Rami technique was used by Babur. The famous political book, The Prince, was written by Machiavelli. The famous political book, The Prince, written by Machiavelli. Which British ruler introduced the police administration in India? Lord Cornwallis. The Hindu college was found in India the year 1817. The rock composed the quartz, feldspar, mica, and hornblende is granite. অরণ্যের অধিকার was written by Mahasweta Devi. Aranyok was written by Vibhushan Bandyopadhyay. The leading newsprint producing country is Canada. Rain shadow zone is found at the along the leeward slope. Along the leeward slope. Which of the following is semiconductor? Germanium. বর্ণপরিচয় was written by ঈশ্বরচন্দ্র বিদ্যাসাগর. Mirage is the example of total internal reflection. Mirage is example মরীচিকা total internal reflection আভ্যন্তরীণ পূর্ণ প্রতিফলন. A radioactive rare gas is radon. Difference between GST IST 5 ঘন্টা 30 মিনিট. In Igneous rock changed to sedimentary rock by cooling and solidification. The permanent settlement was introduced in 1793. Which of the following does not take part in cell division? Nerve cell. Tasmania is separated from Australia by a vast channel. The area of triangle encircled by the straight line x plus y equal to 2 and the coordinate axis is 2 square unit. Answer. In an examination, a student have to obtain 33% of the maximum marks to pass. He got 125 marks and failed by 40. The maximum marks were answer 500. P oblique Q is equal to 2 oblique Q whole to the 3 minus 3 oblique 2 to the power minus 3. Then P oblique Q to the power minus 10 is equal to answer 1. If the diagonal of a square is increased by 10%, then the area of the square is increased by answer 21%. The ratio between two numbers is 3 is to 4. If each number is increased by 2, then the ratio becomes 7 is to 9. Hence the number are 12 and 16. Thus HCF 0.09.009. HCF is equal to 0.009. Answer. If the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 150, then the answer is 54. Number of its diagonal will be 54. If the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 150 degree, then the number of its diagonal will be 54. 48 number question. If 30% of A added to 40% of B, the answer is 80% of B. What percent of A is B? Answer 75%. A train 300 meters long passed a man walking along in the line in the same direction at the rate of 3 km per hour in 33 seconds. The speed of the train is answer 35 to the power 8 oblique 11 35 পূর্ণ 8/11. For the triangle ABC, the side BC is extended to D so that C is equal to AC. If BAD is equal to 109 degree, ACB is equal to 72 degree, then the value of ABC is 45 degree. Wrong. पता नहीं क्या line. A boat goes 8 km in 1 hour along the stream and 20 km in 1 hour against the stream. The speed of the stream is 3. For what value of t 25x square minus 20x is equal to t square, which will be the perfect square? Plus minus 2. If xy plus y oblique x is equal to 1, then the value of x cube plus y cube will be 0. The smallest integer when added to 9547 into 9545 to make the sum a perfect square number is 1. The Raja and Gaja are at the distance of 48 km. They start at the same time to meet each other traveling at the rate of 7 km per hour and 5 km per hour. They meet after 4 hours. The points A bracket 0 1 B 5 0 C 3 3 are vertices of an isolated triangle. In a regular polygon, the ratio of an interior and an exterior In a regular polygon, the ratio of an interior and an exterior angle is 7:2. The number of the side will be 9. The sum of the edges of Mallika and Uttam is the sum of the age of Mallika and Uttam is 40. 5 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 7:8. The present age of Mallika is 19. The solution of x is question is minus a plus b plus c জানে জানি না don't know. If the value of n increase the expression of x is equal to n 2 2n square plus 3n or like 5n square, then the value of x is decreased. If a square plus b square whole to the 3 is equal to a cube plus b cube whole to the 2, then the value of a by b plus b by a is 2 by 3. In a triangle ABC, 2 uh, uh, less than A is equal to 3 less than B is equal to 6 less than B, then the smallest angle is triangle ABC with the answer 30 degree. If A oblique 1 minus A plus B oblique 1 minus B plus C oblique 1 minus C is equal to 1, then the value of 1 oblique 1 and minus A plus 1 oblique 1 minus b plus 1 oblique 1 minus c is 4. In an isoscale triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC and B is the midpoint of BC. Which of the following relation is always true? AB greater than AD. The ratio of male and female member of a club is 5:6. The ratio will be the reverse if 22 female members leave the club. The number of male member is 60. There are 48 questions in a test. Each correct answer feature fetch 1 marks for each wrong answer. Half marks is rejected. A student got 21 marks by attempting all questions. The number of question answered wrongly 18. HCF of 3 number is 6 and LCM 30. LCM is 630. If two number be 18 and 42, then third number will be 30. Which is the greatest fraction? 4 oblique 437. If x is x 3 minus 2 or oblique 3 equal to 3 by x, then x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to 2 28 2 to the power 8 by 27. The 10 digit of 2 digit number is 3 times the unit digit. The sum of the number and its unit digit is 32. The number is answer 31. If triangle PQR PQ equal to 4 minus 0.270 semi, QR is equal to 2 plus 1.732 semi and PR 1.35 plus 2.381 semi, then the name of the triangle which maximum measure is QPR answer. If x and y are real and x minus y whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 0, then the value of x cube plus y cube is answer 65. If a triangle ABC, the side BC is extended up to D, if ACD is equal to 125 degree and B is equal to 2.5 2 by third less than A, then B less than BAC is 75 degree. Which of the following is same as x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube? Answer 3 xy yz z minus x. 1.5 plus 1 6 1 by 12 1 by 20 1 by 30 1 by 42 plus 1 by 56 plus 1 by 72 plus 1 by 90 is 9 by 10 answer. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगता है तो इसके आप लाइक कीजिए और कमेंट्स कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आपको ये चैनल अच्छा लाइक करना चाहिए और सब्सक्राइब करना चाहिए, क्योंकि इस एग्ज़ाम रिलेटेड और भी बहुत सारे रिलेटेड मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर वीडियो बनाता रहता हूँ। तो चलिए दोस्तों, थैंक यू, अच्छा रहिए। প্রিয় বন্ধুরা, যদি আমার ভিডিও ভালো লাগে তো সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন। কারণ সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন এই জন্য যে আমি আপনাদের পরীক্ষা রিলেটেড, টেকনিক্যাল রিলেটেড সব ভিডিও বানাতে থাকি এবং সেই ভিডিওগুলো আপনাদের অনেক কাজে লাগবে। তো আপনি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নেবেন, সঙ্গে যদি আপনাদের মতামত যেগুলো আছে সেগুলো আপনারা নিচে কমেন্ট দিয়ে দিবেন আর লাইক করতে ভুলবেন না। থ্যাংক ইউ, আর ভালো থাকবেন।